Now let's start with the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. What do we? There are two laws of reflection. First, as we know, angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. That is, angle I is equals to angle R. Second law is incident ray reflected ray and normal to the reflecting surface always lie in the same plane. These are the two laws of reflection. Now let's study about the important information about reflection, or we can say laws of reflection. Some important information, or we can set it as a basic information. First, a ray of light striking the surface normally retraces its path. Second, laws of reflection are also obeyed when light is reflected from a spherical or curved surfaces as shown below. This is the spherical mirror. The ray striking the spherical mirror is also reflected back as seen in the plane mirror, and the middle line is called as normal. This is also a spherical mirror. Now let's talk about the two types of reflection. There are two types of reflection. First is regular reflection. Now let's talk about what do you mean by regular reflection. The phenomena due to which a parallel beam of light traveling through a certain medium and striking some smooth polished surface bounces off from it as parallel beam in some other fixed That is all the regular reflection is. That is, the phenomena due to which a parallel beam of light traveling through a certain medium on seam on striking some smooth polished surface bounces off from it as parallel beam in some other fixed direction is regular reflection. Second, now let's see how the reflection occurs. Regular reflection occurs. This is a plane. These are the incident light. These are the reflected light in different direction, but through the same surface and in parallel direction. That is the regular reflection is all about. Now let's talk about the second type of reflection, that is irregular. But before studying about the irregular reflection, let's discuss some points about regular reflection. First, regular reflection takes place from the objects like looking water, looking glass, still water, oil, highly polished metals, etc. Other regular reflection is useful in the information of images. Example, we can see a face in a mirror only on account of regular reflection. Now let's talk about the irregular reflection. The irregular reflection is also said as diffused reflection. The phenomenon due to which a parallel beam of light traveling through some medium gets reflected in various possible directions on striking some rough surface. It's called irregular reflection. Let's see how the irregular reflection occurs. These are the incident lights rays which are going to incident on the rough surface but going to move in a different direction. Some points about irregular reflection. The reflection which takes place from ground, walls, trees, suspended particles in air, and a variety of other objects which are not smooth, is irregular reflection. Irregular, irregular reflection helps in spreading light energy over a vast region, and also decreases its intensity. Thus, it helps in general illumination of places and helps to see things around us. Now let's talk about image that is formed by mirror. Image definition: an optical image is a point where rays of light converge, actually, or appears to diverge. The image of an extended object is an assembly of image points corresponding to various points on object. Now, what does the image definition tell us? The image is a point where the rays of light converge or actually appears to be diverge. That is the place where the image is formed. There are two types of images. First, real image. Second, virtual image. Let's talk about real image. If the rays of light after reflection or refraction converge actually at a point, then the image is called as real image. It can be obtained on a screen placed at the position of the image.